Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the disco event and get the limited disco pufferfish and fish it game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the classic island and you need to find this Iron Cavern, and to unlock the Iron Cavern you need to have 200 level. Okay, and you can teleport to the Iron Cavern. You will see the teleport button right here on the portal, and I'm going to show you where you can find the Iron Cave. Okay, you just need to follow me right here, and you will need 4 required fishes to unlock the Iron Cave. Okay, the Iron Cave is here, and you need to place 4 fishes. The first one is the gas guppy, and then the builderman guppy, and Shetlatsky guppy, and also the bright eyes guppy. And you can get them from fishing. You can do fishing here, guys. And after you have obtained all the required fishes, you can place them and the Iron Cafe will be opened. And you can join the disco event at this Iron Cafe, but the disco event will appear every 2 hours and last for 30 minutes. And now it's not opened yet. I need to wait for about 1 hour to unlock to join the disco event. And when you join the disco event, you will have possibility or chance to get the disco pufferfish. Okay, the fishing zone will appear right here, guys, when the disco event has been started. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the disco event to get limited disco pufferfish and fish it game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.